What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this middle of the day market update. Had a bit of a drop basically the entire time after I made the morning update today. So yeah, just wanted to give you an update on what's going on today. If the Germans are still selling, what to expect from the technicals. We had some nice momentum yesterday, and we talked about that earlier today as well. Of course, we have lost some of that momentum. And I would say, like my thoughts on the market structure are quite clear, and I'll tell you those in a moment. But at the same point of time, which one of the directions we will follow, I don't know. All right, we have lost a ton of momentum since the momentum overnight and yesterday. As you can see right here, this is 15 minutes. Lost a ton of momentum since 10 o'clock this morning. Had a bit of a spike, bit of a sell-off right here. And then right now we're really trying to stay in this uptrend, because what it looks like, and I've talked about this in the last couple of days extensively, the main level to break was 68,400. All right, and we have dropped down below that right now. Now on the 4-hour time frame, you could say, well, on the 4-hour time frame we haven't dropped down below that, and that is true. But what that would mean is that we do have to get some sort of a reclaim on the 1-hour time frame very, very soon. All right, so for me, the way I look at the market right now, and we'll talk about fundamentals in a moment, and we'll talk about other altcoins that I think are interesting in a moment as well. But for me, on the 1-hour time frame, on the short term, it's very much this. All right, we need to, we have some sort of an uptrend here. It's undeniable, and we actually broke out with momentum. And you can also see that new long positions have been opened in the last hour, and short positions have been closed. So that's bullish. But now we need to break back above this level at 58,400 relatively soon. I would say in the next 2 hours, right? If the 4-hour time frame candle closes below 58,400 or below 58,200, it's just like then I would say technically we are no longer bullish. So we could still rally up, but it would be very, very hard. So yeah, that's the main thing to watch. And like I said, we're gaining some momentum here, but honestly, I would just wait for some sort of a confirmation. The Germans, whether they're selling off or not, who knows, all right? We only know that they're sending away Bitcoin to exchanges, which they could theoretically sell off at any point of time. They're also sending away to OTC desks, so those are probably not being sold off, and that is by far the most they're sending away. So I would actually say that this is probably not the Germans, but it could be caused by them sending away stuff, all right? All right, so some other things when we talk about the dollar strength index right here. Let me quickly clean up my chart a little bit. So yeah, when we talk about the dollar strength index, still bearish. Tomorrow we have some major news. All right, tomorrow we have the initial jobless claims and inflation rate. I'll keep you updated on that tomorrow. All right, I cannot really say anything about this except for we want a lower than expected inflation rate and CPI, and we want higher than expected readings on the initial jobless claims and to continuing jobless claims. But that's what I think you need to know for Bitcoin. All right, if we want to keep this bullish momentum, we need to break above 58,400 very, very soon. Is that a realistic possibility? Yes, but wait for the confirmation. Now there are some altcoins that I think are quite interesting. So let's go over a little bit of a list of them. First of all, WorldCoin had a bit of a spike. I think if this breaks above, like if you go to the 4-hour time frame, if we start to break above 2.15 or something, even though I think this is a shitcoin, I do think we can actually rally. Popcat was quite strong, is trying to get some sort of a breakout here, which is very, very interesting as well, even though I would be careful with it. It's a meme coin. Market circumstances are difficult. And then some other coins that I thought were interesting. Let me quickly look them up. Sei, of course, still, like all of those coins like Sui, Injective, Tia, Sei, losing some momentum, but they could very well still have a leg up. So I would keep your eyes on them to potentially buy them when they get bullish again. eGold, I think if that breaks above $38 right here, has a lot of potential then. But now it's at resistance. So if you buy right now, you're buying into resistance, which I don't think is a smart move. Notcoin dropping down a bit here. It's still technically bullish, but losing a lot of momentum. Would stay away from this. And that's, well, ENS is still quite strong. If that breaks above $29, has a lot of potential. Solana is just consolidating, nothing I can say about that. Zen looked quite interesting somewhere. I'm not sure if it really does. Not yet. It's a bit manipulated as well. But no, those are, I think, the altcoins to focus on right now. But regardless of that, the main coin to focus on is Bitcoin. So keep your eyes on that. I'll keep you updated on that as well, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.